In this video, we'll understand the project ARPANAGE management. So here we'll learn how to make ARPANAGE a dynamic website. So it's a web application project demo. So here we'll show you how we can make this project in ASP.NET with C# language and the backend as a SQL server. So we all know ARPANAGE is run by some charitable organizations. So ARPANAGE students will be adapted and they'll be given coaching, training, all this. So in order to manage this, they need a fund. So fund will be provided by the donators. So they need to reach the donation. So they need to reach the donors. So we require an online website. So if there is an online website, via website, they can able to reach the more donors. So this is for the CS student who wish to do a project as for the curriculum. So particularly a BE, BCA, BSc students, this is very useful. Let us understand the design first. So here let us understand what are the things we can add up in this project. Okay, so ARPANAGE dynamic website or ARPANAGE management. So assume that this is the ARPANAGE. So where they will intake the students, so our unprivileged children, and they'll give education to them, and for that they need a money, so therefore the money come from the donors. So in order to manage everything, so they require a dynamic website. So therefore you can provide one admin module. For donor there is a donor module, and for student there is a student module. Right. So now what you can do, donor can sign up. They can see the list of students who are studying in the ARPANAGE and they can do the donation. So then what are the donation done? So the donation list has to come. So then they can, this donor can send the child to this ARPANAGE center. So this is a inquiry or so adoption. So they can send for the adoption. When they come across unprivileged children, so they can send to the ARPANAGE center for the adoption. So in the admin, so admin can see the donor list, who are all the donors. And here student is concerned, so they can make a timetable, what are the course and course timetable. Then food details, what are the food will be served, that details will be there here. Right, then the student list or ARPANAGE student list. So student is concerned, so they can also log in. They can see the timetable. They can see the food serving, what are the food details, and they can send the message and the view message. They can communicate with the admin or the donor. So that options are very much open. So these are the three important things. One is admin module, donor module, and the student module. So we'll have a lot of other options too that we'll show in the demo. So as I said already, this is very useful for CS student who wish to do a project because they require a different title. So this one such title, it's unique and different. Fine. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. So your subscription will help us to bring more videos, and even subscription is totally free. So therefore, please subscribe and click the subscribe button to subscribe. So here you can see that we are a Visual Studio. We already opened the project, and here is a Solution Explorer. So here you can able to see all the files. What are the files are there in the project? So there are three sections. One is this is the admin, and this is for the donor, all donor, and then again ARPANAGE or student. On the other side we have a Server Explorer. So here you can see that there is a tables. So these are the tables which are using in the project. So what are the data you enter? So it will go to the corresponding tables. For example, when the donors sign up, it will go to donor table. Fine. Now we'll run the project, then we'll see that how the whole thing works. So each page you can write down, and then you have to redesign it, and then you can write the program. Fine. So here is our first page, and we can get into it, and we can go to admin. So here is, we can log in with admin, then admin credentials. So now it is done. So here is the qualifications and the profession for the donors. What are the entries we done? So that automatically will pop up in the when the donor sign up. Then here is the room type. So that for what are the types of rooms available in the orphanage and individual room details. So how many student can be stay in the particular room? 4 member, 2 member. So that and all we can write in the types, and then here you can use the room number. So what is the room number? What are the facilities available? How many people can stay there? That and all we can write. Then is the room allotment. So for each applicant we can allocate the room. So whom all we adopted, so we allocate them to the room. Then room wise list. In each room over the students are there, that list will come here. So student wise we can able to see it here. So next is the admission details. Here when the student come to orphanage, so we'll take him to account. So here you can see that applicant ID. Let's write some name for them. So we know the so we can complete the address and the date of birth. So mail, any other details you can we can write it on. Okay, recommended by Harish donor. Okay, so save this. So the record is saved. So when the admission is done, so you can see that corresponding table the data will go. So if I expand this, so here you can able to see the tables. So expand, see tables, and there is admission table here. So if you right click, if you say show table data, so here what are the entries are done, so it is there here. So we are inserting the data to the table. So when you say insert into table, done. So likewise you can continue with all the admissions. Then the admission list, overall the students are there, that list is available over here. Then activity details, so we can write the activities, any special activities is there that we can write. March activity, drama, this is the drama once in town. Okay, there is a drama name called as once in town. Where is happen? So this happen in the auditorium. Okay, that is the activity which is created, and then food details. So what are the food served on each day that you need to write down here. All the for 7 days. What is the food served that you have to type every day. Then timetable details. So Monday what are the classes conducted. Tuesday what are the classes. All that you need to enter here. Then here is a donor list, overall the donors. Then donations, what is the donation they done? So there you can see that amount 5,000. Adoption request, if they send the request, here the request will come. Then you have to check the child is suitable to adopt. So if okay, then you need to adopt that one. So send message, view message, and the feedback list. Then monthly food expense. So here you show that for number of children, what is the total expense. That will be calculated and it will be shown over here. Then total monthly donations, how much donations you received each month, that will be shown here. And then adopted child list, who are the childs we adopted, that list will be there here. Fine. So these are the admin thing. So all these options are there for the admin. Now we take a copy the main address. We'll take as a donor. We'll go as a donor. So go here. So this is a donor. So if there is a new donor, you need to sign up over here. So donor. So already signed up with the D1 donor. So therefore I'll just log in here. So now the donor can see the admission list overall admitted to the orphanage. And then you can donate the money. So let's say another 5,000 rupees they want to donate. So this is a dummy payment. How do you donate this? Bank transfer. Can bank transfer. Transaction ID. Right. So instructions. So use this money for food. Fine. So that is done. So donated list, here you can see the list, what are the entries are done. That list will come. Send message, view message, and then adoption request. So if you find the child in the orphanage, they can adapt them. So they can adapt them and they can provide the necessity options to the or necessity requirement to this particular child. Fine. So there is one more module, so there is not much in that. So only student can able to view it. The details like timetable, food details and all they can able to view here. So here is the application ID and the corresponding password. So here they can able to see the timetable, what is the timetable for each day. Then activity, any activity, so that they can able to view it. And then food, what is the food they'll be served on that particular day, that they can see. And send message, view message, and they can also send the feedback. Right, so these are three modules, so admin, donor and the student. Okay, so therefore this if you manage all these things, I think is serve the purpose. Therefore carefully you need to plan everything, you need to write down all the design, and then you can do this project in ASP.NET. It's a web application, therefore you can also use JSP, you can use PHP, or you can use Python. So once you have an idea, so therefore you can able to implement in the corresponding language. So if anything else you would like to looking, so please write to us and then let me know how do we help you out. If possible, we'll cover in the next video. Thank you.